Let's take a sneak peek at the Iris Insurance and Wealth Management Framework, which includes data supplied by Panorama 360 Insurance Frameworks. You can get a head start in your business architecture modeling by using the Iris Insurance and Wealth Management Framework with the Iris Business Architect software application. It includes about 600 capability elements and 400 information elements with relationships between them. The data used for this framework has been used worldwide by over 1,000 insurance organizations, wealth management companies, banks, and consulting firms. First of all, here is a quick overview of the summary capability map diagram of the framework. It shows the level 1 capabilities of the framework. You can view the diagram with or without the heat map. Here is another view, this time of the detailed capability map of the same framework. It shows level 1 and level 2 capabilities of the framework, but not level 3. Again, you can view this diagram with or without the heat map. Let's dig into one of the over 600 capability elements of the framework. Let's take the level 2 develop buying behavior element, child of the level 1 marketing capability, and double click on it. The details about this capability element appear here. It includes the element's name, its description, external links to web pages or documents that you can include in this section, custom attributes, internal properties of the capability, child capabilities, 8 originating from this capability, and relationships with some of the framework's information elements. This capability uses 4 information concepts and is the creator of one. On top of these information concepts, you could obviously include relationships from any capabilities to one or several of your organization's values, business units, initiatives, stakeholders, business strategies, etc. For any capability on this framework, you can also select the appropriate heat map or import your own set of measurements or API in this section. Also note that you can open the capability detail info diagram of the develop buying behavior element. This diagram shows the parent capability, marketing, and the child capabilities of the element. Let's now take a look at one of about 400 information map elements of the framework. In the Iris Business Architects Model Explorer, let's select the buying information concept here and take a look at its properties like this. It provides the name, the description, the internal properties, the child information concepts derived from this concept, relationships to capabilities that are either the creator or the user of this information concept, and finally you can use heat maps or other measurements where the value would be shown here. Also note that each relationship can be opened. For example, let's open this relationship from the capability assess product opportunity to the information concept bind. You can add a description to it, indicate if it is activated, delayed, operational, postponed, or retired. You can import data from other software applications that you are currently using and make other mappings on top of capability and information mappings. You can also do organizational, value, strategy, or motivation, initiative, asset, information, stakeholder, product and services, process, and or requirements mapping. The framework will also allow you to print some or all of its content in a Word or a PDF file just by right-clicking here. Here is an example of the content that would be printed regarding the level 1 marketing capability. For that capability alone, the document has 63 pages. For example, here you can view the relationship diagram. Please note that you can shrink the size of the document by printing only the portions of the document that you would like to be seen by going on this window here. Publish to web of the entire framework is also possible by right-clicking here. The content behind the Iris Insurance and Wealth Management Framework comes from Panorama 360 Insurance Frameworks. they have published a 411-page PDF file entitled Panorama 360 Enterprise Business Architect Framework. You can view its table of content here. This PDF file is delivered with the IRIS Insurance and Wealth Management Framework. Panorama 360 Insurance Frameworks has also published an 82-page PDF file entitled Panorama 360 Business Reference Models for Client Management. It comes with our framework, and you can view its table of content here. There is also a 248-page PDF file entitled Panorama 360 Business Reference Models for Contract Administration. It is also part of our framework, and you can view its table of content here. Finally, a 198-page PDF file entitled Panorama 360 Business Reference Models for Claims Management is also delivered with our framework. You can view its table of content right here. That's enough for this video. Thanks for watching. You want to know more about the IRIS Business Architect software and IRIS Insurance and Wealth Management Framework? You may contact us at any time at this email address or by dialing from anywhere in the world one of these phone numbers. Stay tuned. More videos to come.